Exciting news for tech enthusiasts in India. OPPO has launched the OPPO F23 5G with impressive features. Priced at 24,999 rupees, it offers incredible value. The phone sports a 6.72-inch FHD plus IPS LCD display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10 plus support. Powered by the Snapdragon 695 5G SoC, it ensures seamless performance. With 8GB RAM and 256GB storage, expandable, you'll have ample space. The device runs on Android 13 with ColorOS 13.1. Capture stunning photos with the 64MP triple camera setup and enjoy crisp selfies with the 32MP front camera. A 5000 mAh battery powers the phone, and it supports 67-watt fast wired charging. Available in bold gold and cool black, it will be sold through offline stores and Amazon online. Don't miss the 2,500 rupees instant discount on major bank cards. Elevate your smartphone experience with the OPPO F23 5G.